Hello, and welcome to your 5-minute loving kindness meditation. With so much uncertainty, conflict, and sheer madness in the world right now, it's easy to feel at the mercy of our own heavy thoughts and emotions. While we cannot control the world, we can choose how we navigate it. By practicing loving kindness, we're tending to our inner world, building a heart that is resilient and compassionate for ourselves and for others. Just like the sun shines in all the directions at all times, we can connect with our own inner sun, finding that source of strength within us instead of looking for it outside of ourselves. Now let's practice together. Please sit well, or you can lie down if that's more comfortable. Take a few deep breaths on your own, allowing each breath to help you arrive, settle in. To begin, bring to mind a small moment of joy, perhaps the warmth of your morning coffee, a sunset, or the face of someone you love. Feel that warmth as you offer these phrases to yourself. May I be safe, healthy, happy, peaceful. May I be safe, healthy, happy, peaceful. Believe them for yourself. Breathe life into every word and let your inner sun grow. May I be safe, healthy, happy, peaceful. Memories, thoughts, judgments may come up. Gently release them and come back to the phrases. May I be safe, healthy, happy, peaceful. If you find it difficult to access these feelings today, acknowledge that with kindness. We don't need to force a feeling. We're simply planting a seed. Know that even the smallest moment of intentional compassion has a profound impact. If it feels right, continue giving this kindness to yourself. Or, if you're ready, you can invite someone into your mind's eye, your invisible loving kindness circle. Perhaps a person who's easy to love, or a cherished pet. See them clearly, feel their warmth, and then make this wish for the both of you. May we be safe, healthy, happy, peaceful. Allow the feelings of loving kindness to broaden and build. You can even take a few deep breaths on your own, magnifying your inner sun at the center of your chest. May we be safe, healthy, happy, peaceful. Gently bring a hand to your heart center. Let's share this feeling with the world as we end this practice. May all beings be safe. May all beings be healthy. May all beings be happy. May all beings be peaceful. Feel really good about showing up and practicing today. If you would like to practice a longer loving kindness meditation, click on the link in the description below. And please subscribe for more guided meditations, as well as mindful movement practices. Wishing you a wonderfully mindful day filled with loving kindness. Until next time.